Hey teacher friends, it's me, Caitlin, and I'm back with another tech tip for teachers. I kind of stumbled across something amazing yesterday when I was looking at the Canva homepage, and I just wanted to share it out. And that is Canva creates backgrounds for your Bitmoji classrooms. What? They are adorable. So I just wanted to quickly show you how to access those and how to create a Bitmoji classroom if you're unfamiliar. So let's get started. So here is our current Bitmoji classroom for third grade, Miss Jass and I. We started the year, we have them all here from the very beginning of the year. And we've just kind of been adding things and changing them each week so that it's easier for students to access things. We used to do one Bitmoji classroom for every homeroom day, so you can see the dates changing there. But we noticed that our students weren't looking at the assignment sheet or their learning task sheet. They were just kind of clicking around the Bitmoji classroom, and that created a problem because they weren't actually completing all of their learning tasks. So a few weeks into it, we decided to change it up and just do one Bitmoji classroom for the whole week. So you can see when we changed the background template, that was kind of the shift at that time. So it's one room for the whole week, and the assignment sheet and everything is linked into this one week. So this is what it looks like now. However, yesterday, when I was looking at Canva, when I opened it up on their homepage, I saw that they make their own virtual classrooms. So let me show you how I found that. So here I am at the homepage of Canva, and I don't know where that thing went that I found. It was, across the top here. Maybe it's in school. Virtual classrooms? No, I don't know. So what I did was I searched for virtual classrooms. And a bunch of different things come up. There's a lot of helpful things in here. But the one thing I'm looking for that I want to show you are these adorable, virtual classrooms. So they have really cute rooms, so 1, 2, 3, there's some there. I believe these are headers for Google Classroom, this like read, learn, know. So if that's something you're interested in, it's pretty easy to edit. Here's another virtual classroom. So they're similar in looks. They have the agenda, today's date. The templates all have a quote and books to read. But all the different things in the classroom are different. And honestly, I just think it's so adorable. So let me think. Here's another one. So if you find the one you want to use, I think I like this one here. And now you have your classroom that you can edit and change up any way that you want. Okay, so let's be honest. A lot of the fun in making a virtual classroom is putting in your own Bitmoji. And it's fun for me as a teacher, but I also know the students love it when Miss Jass and I change up our Bitmojis each week. And at least it makes us laugh. I guess I don't know if the students actually laugh. But so in order to do that, you need to get the Bitmoji app on your phone. It can be an iPhone or an Android phone. You have to have the app first to create your Bitmoji, and that it's super easy to get. It's all free. You just go to the Bitmoji app, download that, and create your little virtual person. Then from there, once you have that, you can add a Bitmoji extension to your Google Chrome, sign into your Bitmoji account, and then all of your Bitmoji things are super easily accessible when you're doing work for your computer. So I'm going to show you how to do that, adding the extension to your Chrome bar, and then show you how to drop in those little Bitmoji people into your virtual classroom. So in Google, just search for the Bitmoji extension. There it is. In the Chrome Web Store, you will find it. I already have it installed on my computer, but if you don't have it yet, there will be an install button. So you click that, and then it will pop up right here on your Chrome bar. So now you do have to log in first. But when you log in, then it will bring up your little Bitmoji person from the one you created on your phone. It will be here accessible in Chrome. So now if we pop back over to our Canva virtual classroom, it's really easy now to drop in one of your people. So depending on what I'm doing in the day or whatever, if I want my person to sit on this couch, say, I'll just look for sit. There I am, and you copy the image and then paste. Yes, I know. So I'm going to hit Control V, and it will let me paste this in here. Okay, so I want to put my Bitmoji on top of everything else, right? So in order to do that, I want to right-click and bring to front. Now, that's kind of weird that I'm facing the wall. I want to flip my Bitmoji. And my last tip is do some cropping here. To do that, you double-click. And now I can drag in the sides to kind of cut off all that extra space around my Bitmoji. Okay, so there I am. I maybe look a little big for that couch. Make myself a little smaller there. Ta-da! I could also put myself, just make another one of me and flip myself around again. Now I'm sitting on the chair. Oh, this is getting a little creepy. Here, maybe I could put myself on the floor. So I would search up, maybe I want to use this one of me reading books. So I can paste it. Again, I want to bring it to the front so I'm on top of all the other images. Flip that around, drag in the sides to take off all that extra space we don't need. And then, maybe I want to move this stuff around. Kind of put myself down here in the corner, sitting on some books next to all these pillows. Maybe there. Can also search for maybe laying down. No, nothing. Or, classic one is reading, or so maybe I'll put in this one here. Oops. Paste that in. Bring it to the front. Take off these extra edges. And make it smaller. So now I'm leaning up against this couch, reading a book. Okay, so yeah, this would be weird to have 4 of me in here, but I could choose the one that fits best. As you can see in our classroom Bitmoji, because we're co-teaching, we have Miss J, Miss Jess, and myself in all the rooms here. Some of the things we've been doing, we're just kind of popping around different places each week. Yeah. So that is how you make a virtual classroom with Canva. Now, I've been using Google Slides to make my virtual classrooms. At this point in time, I'm not sure that I'm going to switch it up because students are used to it, but I might take a screenshot of that background and put it into my Bitmoji, my Google Slides background, and then kind of edit the links and do all that as I see fit. Or I might change over to using Canva for this and sharing the link directly to that virtual classroom with my students. I don't know. The more I use Canva, the more I realize it's super user-friendly. The clip art's amazing. All these things are really great and easy to use. And so you might be seeing a shift from me in the near future of taking my virtual classroom from Google Slides and putting it into Canva. But I'll have to talk to Ms. Jess about that. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions. There were a lot of steps I skipped in here, like how to get the app on your phone and exactly how to share it out with students. So if you have any follow-up questions or need some help with that, please contact me directly. I am more than happy to help. Okay? I'll see you soon. Bye.